Ways to keep your woman genuinely interested in you. Build emotional connection with her. Make her very vulnerable and always chase and always come back to you. This is Spell Solution. The goal is for you to always stay in a healthy relationship and a healthy marriage. Number one thing you need to do, keep emotional connection very, very strong. Listen to her whenever she's saying, talking. Do not just listen or don't just pay attention to respond to her. Pay attention because you really want to know exactly what she's going through, what she's saying. Do not just pay attention to respond. Pay attention because you really feel or you want to understand what she feels. If your woman is complaining, calm down. Don't judge. Just calm down to ask her what her problem is. Look for means to at least make her feel you understand what she's going through than being judgmental. Show empathy when you know it is needed. Validate her feelings. Let her know you're not just her husband, you're not just her man. Let her know you want to still know exactly what she feels and know how to really support her. Still, or you two should also stay open. When you're open, you're open to your own thoughts and your emotions too. You two, you tend to be very, very vulnerable because you also share, you include her in your life, and then whenever you know things are not, you're not okay with something, you're always expressive, you're always standing up for yourself. Then number two, stay confident and independent. There is no woman that will want to be vulnerable around you if she know you're not confident in yourself and you're not independent. Maintain your own life, have your own life. Keep pursuing your goals, keep pursuing your hobbies, your friendship, that thing that those people that has been in your life. A woman can't just be in your life and you discard them and made her the center of her attraction. She wants to see that you also have a life. Your independent is always very attractive to your woman. So if you're not independent, you're dependent on her, then she sees you as a desperate guy and she will never be interested in you. Avoid anything that will make you not to be clingy, to always stick to her, always chase her around. Avoid it. If you always clingy to her, it makes her feel there is nothing interesting about you. You don't know have a life. Let her always know you have a life. Lead her with self-assurance, confidence in yourself, not being arrogant. Let her know, show her you value yourself so much that you're doing things for yourself. You do things for yourself more than you even consider her. So if she knows you always put her first before yourself, it makes her not to really value you. The only thing that makes a woman value you more and more interested is the things you do for yourself. So don't neglect yourself because you really need to please her or you really need to make her feel seen or wanted. You should also make yourself feel seen anyhow you want to feel, anyhow you feel you want her to see you. This is what you're going to show her. So by showing her that, she's going to grab that this is what he wants and she will start doing it. Then keep the spark alive. How did you guys start? How did you what are those things you used to say to her? How do you used to call her? What are those moments, good moments you guys used to have? Do not stop. Surprise her occasionally. Go out, have some fun. It mustn't necessarily be something very huge, something just take a walk, relive moments with her, tell her when you met her, how you met her, what made you meet her. She's curious, she wants to know more. This alone makes her to fall greatly in love with you. Reflect with her like the time you guys started. Those times you used to peck her, hold her waist when she's cooking, you hold her waist, you give her a warm hug at the back, at the front, pecks. Don't stop. This flirting means a woman will always be emotionally connected to you. So there is nothing another man would tell her that she will want to listen because Flirting in a relationship always makes a woman to always be intrigued, and she's always interested. She wants to always come back. Women are emotional beings. So if you flirt with them, you're triggering that their emotions. You're making them want you more. You're making them always want to seek your face, and they always feel comfortable being around you. It makes them to open up, because if you've triggered her emotions, that means she's okay and comfortable with you. She will want to share. She will want to make you her confidant. Then always create experiences together. Go out, hang out. Most of your hobbies, things you like, do them with her. Don't just say, okay, I'm going out, I'm going to play football, take her along. If you like volleyball, take her along. Most of the things she like, you took, she will involve in it. This creates bond, and this brings you guys together. So there's nothing that creates bond and brings you together than you guys participating in some things that you like or she likes. These experiences is something she will live with. Even when you're not there, she's always thinking about you. She's always thinking about her. You just see a woman just start laughing for no reason. This is the reason why. Because you've made memories. Even when you're not available, there's something to think about. Why you feel she can easily get another man, she can easily leave you for somebody else, is because there is no memory. It's because there is nothing to think about you. It's because her emotion is not really triggered by you. So because of that, you will always feel, no, if I leave her, you feel the need to chase. Create connections that can't break, that nobody can break. So once that connection is in place, once she have those connections, there is nothing that will make her to want to look at another person. She's just focused on you and you alone. Then, number 4, be consistent and reliable. Follow through your words. If you know that thing you don't want to do it, don't say it. Do not agree. Sometimes you say, okay, let me just keep her interested. Let me say it. If I didn't do it, no problem. She will understand. We don't understand. Now listen. Women mostly or always women always forget the good you did for them, especially when you fail in one aspect. So if you fail, instead of failing, it's best you don't make that commitment. It's best you don't say it. So most of the things that makes us to rely and build trust with you is your ability to follow through from to the letter what you know. That is why saying no is important. Saying no shows how you're really confident and comfortable with yourself. What you know you can't do, you won't tell her, you won't make that promise. It makes a woman to hold you in a very high esteem. But if you make promises and you don't follow through, even if you follow through 99 and fail one, she will count it for you. So it's better not to even say, oh, I'm going to do it, if you know you're not ready for it. Then show appreciation. Those little times she goes out of her way to do something for you, those little times she says words that interest you, find ways to reward her. Just as you're going to punish her if she disrespect you, disrespect your boundary, this is the way you also reward her. Show her appreciation, that any value she brings into your life is well appreciated. Now, if you appreciate her for the value she brings, this creates commitment. This makes her want to do more. This makes her always want to come down low so you will be up. So, but do not overdo anything. So, don't praise her or appreciate her when she did not do anything for you. The appreciation should only come when you know she deserves it, when you know she impacted your life or she gave value to you. That is only when you appreciate her. So she could want, this is like encouragement that yes, this thing is what I need. Do more of it. This is what makes her to do more. Be her safe place. Emotionally stability and loyalty. Always make her feel she's loved, especially when she's treating you like a king that you are. So if you do this, no woman will not chase you. She cannot just be with you and start chasing another man or start giving attention to another man, because you've already captured her heart. Her heart is with you. So you do with it whatever you want, but then you are going to put it in a safe place. You're going to pamper it. And just as she's going to also pamper yours, there is no woman that feels connected to you that won't want to make you also happy and give out most of the things you give out to her. You're creating connection, you're creating commitment, and you're making her also commit and connect to you. This is Spell Solution. The goal is for you to always stay in a healthy relationship and a healthy marriage. Don't forget to share, like, and drop your thoughts, what you think about this video. To my returning subscriber, don't forget to drop your thought in the comment section. Thank you so much. And if you're coming across the channel for the first time, don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.